have so many things that draw people here. The nature that's all around us is a huge draw to keep people in the area.
I think the location is great in terms of like being close to the outdoors, being close to work. I mean, you spend more time with your family.
I was born and raised in Redding here in Shasta County. My wife and I spent some time on the East Coast, but we ended up moving back because we really love the community. You know, there's 2 lakes and 2 mountains all within an hour's drive. We see the challenges, it has its own unique circumstances, and so we just wanted to see how we could help our community in a way that makes sense to us.
By choosing a career in the medical field, you can stay here in the beautiful North State, enjoy all the nature and amenities that we have here, and make a really good life and living for yourself.
Although we have beautiful resources in Shasta County, we also face many public health challenges. Our residents suffer from chronic disease, drug-related deaths, and poverty at rates higher than the state's average. We also have an affordable housing shortage, which contributes to homelessness. The Shasta health community is working diligently to break these cycles.
I knew I wanted to get in the medical field, but I actually didn't know what part of the medical field do I want to do. I didn't have any training as a scribe. You know, they did train me. So it has given me a sneak peek into how things operate in a clinic in regards to everyone's roles, and I think it's been really rewarding.
I had no education, and I started here. Now I'm working informatics, which is a huge move up, both pay and knowledge.
One thing that a lot of people don't realize when they think about healthcare is that there's so much that pertains to a person's overall health. Technology can really help keep all that straight for the clinical teams by prompting them at the right times, instead of them having to try to figure it all out themselves.
The nurse assistant, 8 weeks, you're in and out, and they're in such high need right now that you're guaranteed a job.
Medical assistant does actually a lot more than some people would expect. So we do anything from injections to assisting in minor surgeries. We're there to support them.
Health services don't just happen in a doctor's office. There are many jobs that work in the community to build connections and trust between members who need the services and the healthcare organizations that want to serve them.
Our organizers really are working with people to bring together their ideas, to bring together their passion, to make change on their own terms, in their own spaces.
What I really enjoy about my position is learning from what the needs of the community and bringing them back to the department and saying this is what the community is facing, but this is also the way we can help them, and this is what they understand.
Shasta County has a number of programs to introduce students to a variety of possibilities for a career in health.
The goal is to allow all those students who are kind of considering following or pursuing a career in medicine so that they can be in that environment, shadow the professionals that they want to one day become, and shadow those positions, shadow those professionals, see if that's something for them. A lot of people went in with the idea that they wanted to do surgery. Afterwards, like, some of them sticked with it, some of them saw something else that they really liked and decided to stick with that. We kind of got this little feel of where do we think we'll click in.
I think it is so important to get a job in the medical field, whatever that might be, and really feel out what's best for you before you invest a bunch of time and money into higher education.
If you have that passion and the drive, and you're a very caring person and you want to take care of people and be able to change someone's day from bad to good, then stepping into a medical assistant is a very fantastic start.
You're really helping people. When you go home, you can go to sleep at night knowing that you did the best you can to improve somebody's life. And there's no higher purpose than that.
Once you put your foot in the door, you can just see all the opportunities, see what you like, see what you don't like, and it doesn't really hurt your chances at all. Having that experience is going to boost you way much more than like having a 4.0 GPA.
Healthcare is a growing industry with an abundance of opportunity. In Shasta County, there are many paths to take to develop a career in health.
If you work your way up and you're passionate about your job, when it comes to finances, you'll be able to be financially stable and also be able to enjoy your personal life and be able to enjoy the North State and everything that it has to offer, along with many job opportunities.
There's no reason that people would need to leave our area to get a great education.
There is an abundance of high-paying jobs in healthcare. Those in the North State are among the highest paid positions that we have here.
We have a lot of expectations for our young people to think that they should know what they should do right when they're 17 and a half and graduating. And I think that it's okay not to know immediately, and it's really good to follow your passion. And when that fire's lit, nothing can stop you. Not to say there's not going to be challenges, but that nothing can stop you because you're going to really know that, hey, this is where I'm going and this is what I want to do.
There's a whole bunch of opportunities, and you won't lose anything from trying it. In fact, you'll gain like a world's level experience. Walk in there with an open mind, and next thing you know, your whole life could change.
For more information, visit ShastaHealthRockstars.org.